Senior BJP leader and Pantharum Kra MLA A.L. Hek informed that the party's arrested State Vice President Bernard N Marak, who is currently in judicial custody, will contest next year's assembly elections. Marak is the sitting GHADC member from South Tura. He, however, said that the BJP has not yet declared the name of its candidate for the South Tura seat. This development comes after Hek's visit to Marak's house and meetings held in the constituency.
We had convened the meeting of the South Tura seat and also the North Tura seats. It was very high perspective for the BJP, both the seats. And I met the family of, I went for dinner to the Bernard Marak's house. I discussed with the family and also giving some console to the family. See, he is just sitting MDC from the North Tura. See, now the BJP has not declared who will be contesting from which constituency, who will be the contesting as an official candidate of the BJP. So the matter is until unless the ticket is declared, we cannot say anything.